Hey, let's talk about YouTube undo. YouTube handles are unique identifiers that aim to help users find, connect to channels, and tag people on the streaming platform. YouTube recently started sending emails to YouTube users asking them to make their unique handle. Really nice, right? Google is allowing users to choose their handle by November 14th. After that, Google will begin assigning handles automatically based on user channel names. Handles will start appearing on channels later this year. They will also appear on the Shorts player, search results, your channel page, within comments and mentions. So when people mention you, yep, it's gonna appear there, and more. Okay, let's go ahead and see if we are eligible and we can create our own handle. Let's go! Okay, now we're going to click on the profile picture. Now come down to channel, click on YouTube Studio. Go ahead and click on your YouTube Studio. Then we'll wait for it to open up. Now come over to the right side of the screen. You see that says new. Yep, we're going to come right there and click on that arrow. Yes. So now you can now see it's out. Let's read what it says. It says, it's time to choose your handle, stand out from the crowd and help your audience find and engage with you by choosing a unique handle for your channel. So go ahead and click on choose now. Okay, so now the page is open up. It says, it's time to choose your handle. This is really nice, and there's a little video tutorial right here you can click on if you want more explanation. So come over here and click on choose your handle. Go ahead and click on that button. Okay, so now it's open up and it says you have successfully selected your handle. Handles will start appearing on YouTube later this year. Then it says underneath, your channel has a new URL. So this is a new URL that contains your handle name plus your existing channel URL, which means if you have shared your channel URL before to other social medias, to people, or anywhere else you have shared it, they are still going to keep on working. So you don't have to worry about that. So now let's click on OK. Okay, now before we go ahead and click on OK, if you do notice the URL is something you can easily remember, because when it says YouTube / my YouTube name, that's Noobfire Free Fire, and it's really something you can easily remember and looks nice too. So let's go ahead and click on OK now. Okay, now see, so it says, hi, your handle is reserved. Your handle is now Snoopfire. So that's my handle name, and I can also change it if I want to, but I'll leave it like that. And I can also copy the URL link right here. And if you want to make any more further research, you can also just read the text underneath or watch the video. But take note that the two links are going to be working simultaneously. There is this new one with the handle and the former one that we had before. Okay, now let's move over to YouTube on the phone and let me show you how you can check for your handle and how you can also change the name if you want to change it. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's check for our handle name on the mobile. Come over to a profile picture, click on it. So wait for it to open up. Okay, so come over here to your channel name. You can already see the handle right here appearing. You can see it with the @ that's the @ there. So which means if you want to look for somebody's channel, you put the @ then the channel's name. We could just do it without the @ too, but mostly it's advisable you could just put the @ there. I think the @ will make it much better. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to come over to this pencil right here, click on it. So this is it. This is our handle. You can click on the pencil right here. You can edit it. I don't want to change it personally. So it says here, it says visible to all users on YouTube. Then underneath it says you can change your handle back within 14 days. That's pretty nice. So we have 14 days before we can change it back to this again. That's in case somebody takes the name. So let's go ahead and click on save, leave that over there. Then this is the URL right here, our channel URL, the new one. So you can go ahead and copy it if you want to. Copy. So this is how you can check for it right here on mobile. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please go ahead and